Invisible Studio has designed a rural holiday home amidst an olive grove in Greece. Created by Piers Taylor for his family, the design adopts a minimalist, sometimes rugged aesthetic, prioritizing adaptation to the local climate. The architecture provides basic necessities such as shelter, shade, sleeping areas, and communal spaces, while allowing for future flexibility. Taylor, who has known the area since the 1970s, integrated local history into the design. The building makes use of locally available materials and respects the traditional practices of the local community. The project was also inspired by the work of Glenn Murcutt, who is renowned for his designs that respond to the surrounding climate and landscape. Located in an earthquake and fire-prone area, the house is built using reinforced concrete with local limestone aggregate, utilizing the local community skills and formwork. The main space consists of simple bedrooms made entirely of concrete, while a large living area sits beneath a corrugated roof supported by a red oxide steel frame. Without glass, the house is equipped with galvanized sliding screens, insect screens, and plastic curtains, all using materials easily found in local stores. There are no fancy design elements, fences, or elaborate landscaping. Piers Taylor explains that the house was designed to highlight the mistakes in the construction process, reflecting local decisions and techniques. The eccentric formwork demonstrates the logic of available materials and the order of work of the local community. The house offers a counterpoint to the loss of local identity that comes with uniform modern building, creating an architecture rooted in the richness of traditional Greek materials, techniques, and resources.